Welcome! If you're a Discord server moderator and want to control how spoiler content appears on the servers you manage, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to show spoiler content on servers you moderate using the Discord app on your PC. This is based on the newest update, so you'll be up to date with the latest features. Let's get started. First, make sure your Discord app is open on your computer. If you haven't updated recently, it's a good idea to check for updates so you have all the newest settings available. Once you're inside Discord, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. Click on this gear icon to open your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, look for the section labeled Chat. This is where you can adjust how messages, media, and spoiler content are displayed while you're using Discord. Scroll until you find the option called Show Spoiler Content. Discord gives you a few different choices here, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on the option specifically for moderators. Click on Servers I Moderate. This setting means that spoiler content will automatically be revealed for you on any server where you have moderation permissions. It's a great way to keep tabs on what's being shared, ensuring you can moderate content effectively without having to click through every spoiler tag. Once you've selected this option, you're all set. Spoiler content will now be visible to you on the servers you moderate, making your job as a moderator much easier and more efficient. If you ever want to change this setting, just come back to the same menu and pick a different option. And that's it. You've just learned how to show spoiler content on servers you moderate in Discord's latest update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make your Discord experience even better. Thanks for watching, and happy moderating!